The Pacific F20H Haloflex directly addresses the risks associated with heat stress, helmet weight, and contaminant exposure. Haloflex can be dismantled in around 2 minutes without tools, meaning components can be removed or replaced in the field without taking the helmet out of service. Today, we're going to run through the process of removing and replacing the comfort padding and neck protector on Pacific F20H. As always when working on a helmet, make sure you have a soft surface to protect the paint finish. Today, we're using a piece of foam. The neck protector attaches at 4 points around the edge of the liner frame. Find the center point between 2 barbs, grip the plastic piece and then pull outward. Repeat on the other side of the neck protector. Remove the top comfort pad. There are 4 attachment points. Pull the padding away from the impact mesh in each corner to remove completely. Remove the front comfort pad. Unclip the front pad from the headband. Remove the rear comfort pad. Unbutton the padding from around the rear adjustment dial. These components of your F20H are now ready for cleaning. Wash in warm water up to 60 degrees Celsius maximum with an approved cleaner, like Citro Squeeze. Keep separate from other domestic clothing or laundry. Ensure padding is thoroughly rinsed and dry before replacing in the helmet. Let's replace the back pad first. Button the pad back around the ratchet adjustment dial. The front padding clips back onto the headband by lining up the rectangular lugs on the padding with the corresponding holes on the headband. The top comfort pad fastens directly to the Haloflex impact mesh in 4 places. Press each orange plastic dimple into the small corresponding hole in the impact mesh. When fitting the neck protector, make sure that the white tag with the part number on it is on the inside of the helmet. Line the barbs up with the corresponding holes on the helmet's liner. Insert the inside barb into its hole. Twist the outside barb slightly so it lines up with the hole, then insert. Repeat with all 4 points around the edge of the helmet's liner. That's it, you've successfully fitted the comfort padding and the neck protector to your F20H and your helmet's ready for service. Need more info? A manual for the Pacific F20H Haloflex is available online for download. Find the direct link in the description box below. Find a full range of spare parts and accessories available for the F20H on our website. Head to packfire.com.au, helmets and accessories, and then spare parts. Select your helmet model from the list to view the entire range. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel for more video content.